Welcome friends to my English speaking channel. Our practice session is just starting, and when we were about to start speaking, suddenly our mouth got stuck. Not even a single word comes out of mouth. Then what will we practice next? Friends, any methods of practice are coming to our mind. We have to include them in our daily routine. Then one day we will suddenly find ourselves that I'm just going on speaking English. I'm just going on speaking. I won't be able to know where, when, and how this happened. So, friends, this is what happens when we include some work in our daily routine. Then it becomes a part of life and continues continuously. Today, we have to read, pronounce, listen, and understand each word of the story with full attention. Then we will see how we will not be able to speak English. You also join me on this dance of practice. Come, let us begin. Change yourself, not the world. अपने को बदलो, दुनिया को नहीं. Long ago, people lived happily under the rule of a king. बहुत समय पहले राजा के शासन में लोग बहुत खुश रहते थे. The people of the kingdom were very happy as they led a very prosperous life with an abundance of wealth and no misfortune. राजा के साम्राज्य में लोग बहुत खुश थे क्योंकि उन्हें पर्याप्त धन दौलत और शान से जीने का मौका मिल रहा था. Once the king decided to go visiting places of historical importance and pilgrim centers at distant places, he decided to travel by foot to interact with his people. People of distant places were very happy to have a conversation with their king. They were proud that their king had a kind heart. लोग गौरवान्वित थे कि उनका राजा दयालु हृदय का था. After several weeks of travel, the king returned to the palace. He was quite happy that he had visited many pilgrim centers and witnessed his people leading a prosperous life. However, he had one regret. हालांकि उसे एक दुख था. He had intolerable pain in his feet as it was his first trip by foot covering a long distance. He complained to his ministers that the roads were not comfortable and that they were very stony. He could not tolerate the pain. वह दर्द को सहन नहीं कर पा रहा था. He said that he was very much worried about the people who had to walk along those roads as it would be painful for them too. और उन्हें बड़ा दुख हुआ कि जो भी लोग उसमें चलता है उन्हें ऐसा ही बहुत दर्द होता होगा. Considering all this, he ordered his servants to cover the roads in the whole country with leather so that the people of his kingdom can walk comfortably. इसलिए वह आदेश दिया उनके साम्राज्य के सभी सड़कों पर चमड़ा बिछाया जाए ताकि लोग बिना तकलीफ के आना जाना करें. The king's ministers were stunned to hear his order, as it would mean that thousands of cows would have to be slaughtered in order to get sufficient quantity of leather. and it would cost a huge amount of money also. यह सुनकर मिनिस्टर लोगों को अचंभित होना पड़ा। ऐसा में तो कई गाय बैलों का बलि चढ़ाना पड़ेगा और धन भी खर्च होंगे। Finally, a wise man from ministry came to the king and said that he had another idea. The king asked what the alternative was. The minister said, instead of covering the road with leather, why don't you just have a piece of leather cut in appropriate shape to cover your feet? The king was very much surprised by this suggestion and applauded the wisdom of the minister. He ordered a pair of leather shoes for himself and requested all his countrymen also to wear shoes. और इस तरह से वह अपने लिए एक जोड़ी जूते बनवाए और साम्राज्य के सभी लोगों को भी जूते पहनने के लिए कहा। Moral: instead of all trying to change the world, we should try to change ourselves. And so, friends, how did you feel this story? Please leave some comments or suggestions in the comment section. And I also hope you will surely share some appreciation to me. I have to say now goodbye. See you in the next Happy Learning.